Hello, I'm Stephen Putisi, and today I will be presenting the 635 we did in class with a schoolmate, and today we will talk about what we did. It was a very good learning process because the 635 is very important when you want to share ideas with classmates or when you want to do big things. If we look at the 635, as we call it, it's a very powerful tool which you can use if you call on the name. The 6 stands for 6 classmates, the 3 stands for 3 ideas, and 5 stands for 5 minutes. Every classmate have 3 minutes, no 5 minutes to help you with your ideas. What I did in class is I share my 3 ideas with the class, and these are my 3 ideas. My 3 ideas help students with homework by the use of ICT, help people with form their design thinking mindset, and help students build their future using, you can share ICT. Yeah. If we look at what the group responds to my 3 ideas, then I see that the ICT tools to use ICT, my first idea, they told me that to help, let's look back, to help the students with the homework by the use of ICT. It's very important that the ICT tools are already at every school. And if you want to help people with design thinking mindset, which they need today, nowadays, it is very important that you take this to learning process info session, talk with people about it, so you can give them information. And if you look at about the third idea, help students build their future. It is very important to do this with parents, to begin to help the parents, to help them to understand what is being taught at school, because you need the parents in this case. The parents are the one who will help you to look out after the children if they are doing their homework or not. And by building the future, one of the biggest things is that the parents are the one they can help stimulate. So I will take these ideas and go further to work it out. If we look at this is the analyze I get from the student, my classmate, and it was very helpful. Thank you for this video. Bye bye.